We're going to be talking about how to create a hyperlink from the desktop version of Dropbox and OneDrive. Let's go ahead and start off with Dropbox. We're going to go ahead and open up Dropbox. Once it's open up, go ahead and select the folder you would like to create the hyperlink, allowing you to share as much information as you would like, regardless of the size of each document. Right-click. In Windows 11, you have to go ahead and show more options. In Windows 10, it will automatically be there. We're going to go ahead and copy Dropbox link. It will put it on the clipboard. Let's create a simple email. And then we're going to show you the 3 different ways to go ahead and put this into an email. Way number 1, click here to view your docs. I'm going to highlight over click here, right click, link, and then Control or Command V in your Mac, and that's V as in Victor, which will go ahead and hyperlink this. This will now allow your client to simply click here on any device, on any platform, and it will take them to that specific folder. They will not be able to see around it. They won't be able to add any documents or subtract any documents unless you allow them to. And now they'll be able to view everything. This is a live hyperlink. So when you add documents, it will now be added when they click here. When you subtract documents, it will also subtract it from that hyperlink. Way number 2, click on the picture to view your docs. Go ahead and put in the picture and do the same process with the hyperlink on Dropbox. Once again, click on the folder or the document you would like to share. Right click. In Windows 10, it will automatically be there. In Windows 11 on your Microsoft product, we're going to show more options. We're going to copy the Dropbox link, go back into the email, right click on the picture, link it, and Control or Command V as in Victor, which will paste it, and now your picture is hyperlinked. If you still can't figure that out, of course, way number 3 would be for you to simply click on Control or Command V, which will simply go ahead and create that hyperlink into the email. This does not look as nice as the picture, or does not look as nice as the click here, in my personal opinion, but they all go to the same place, which will be your Dropbox folder that you hyperlinked. To do this in OneDrive, we're going to go through the exact same process that we did in Dropbox. First and foremost, you need to download the desktop version of the cloud. In Dropbox, that would mean you go to Dropbox.com, download the app, and now you'll have the desktop version. In OneDrive, you're going to go into OneDrive.com, go ahead and download the desktop version, once again for your PC or your Mac, and this will allow you to put it onto the desktop where now you can work with or without internet connectivity. We're going to go ahead and double click on OneDrive. It will open up all of your folders. Notice how the cloud means that it's only in the cloud, whereas the check mark means it's in the cloud and the desktop version, allowing you to work with or without internet connectivity. If you only have it in the cloud, that's great because it doesn't take up space on your computer, but remember, if you don't have internet, you won't be able to actually see the document. So now we're going to go ahead and right-click on the folder, go down in Windows 10 or Windows 11, and notice that we can go ahead into OneDrive and share this. Once we share it, it will allow you to either share it directly with an email, or you can copy that link. That link is the same thing as the Dropbox link, allowing you to copy it and to share with anybody in any email, just like we did with Dropbox. We can also right-click, and you can free up space by putting it only in the cloud. We can also go ahead and always keep on this device so we can see with or without internet connectivity. Once we do get internet connectivity, it will automatically sync into the online OneDrive version. The concept works identically in Dropbox.